Zongzi, or glutinous rice dumplings, are traditionally made during the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival holiday. Today we are making Taiwanese-style Zongzi, also called bazang in Taiwanese. These dumplings are made of glutinous rice stuffed with different fillings and wrapped in bamboo leaves. I'm going to be using traditional fillings as well as some experimental non-traditional fillings such as taro and mozzarella cheese. When I was little, this was one of my favorite things to eat because since my birthday is in June and the Dragon Boat Festival usually falls around June, when I see these rice dumplings being sold and served everywhere, I would know that my birthday is around the corner. Wrapping the rice dumplings requires some practice and you will get the hang of it after a few tries. Take 2 pieces of bamboo leaves, one large and one smaller one, and overlap them a little at the ends. Visually divide the bamboo leaves lengths into 3s. At the 1/3 section, fold the leaves upward and twist to form a triangular cone. Add the rice and your fillings and then top it with more rice. Fold down the top and cover the rice. Make sure to fold and wrap the side edges so all the fillings is wrapped and covered. Fold the extra leaf tip up at an angle to the side. Loop the rope around the triangle 2 to 3 times and tie a quick release knot. Now let's make one with non-traditional fillings. I wanted to try out adding a mozzarella cheese to see how this would taste. Time for taste test. I am trying one of the dumplings that has the mozzarella cheese. Don't forget to try it with some sweet chili sauce. Happy Dragon Boat Festival! 端午节快乐!